pose. Okay, in pose, if you check, we have two things called as pose collection and rest position. We'll check what exactly these things are. Okay, now what I will do, let me do one thing. I will select this particular bone. Okay, and in viewport display I will disable this name. Okay, and one more thing, this pose position. Okay, what we are seeing right now. Okay, so we'll check what exactly it is. So let me do one thing. I will select this particular bone and I will hit Shift D. Okay, I will take it on Y direction like this. Shift D again, on Y direction I will take like this. And one more thing, Shift D I will take over Y axis like this. Okay, so I took 4 bones right now. 4 bones I took. Okay, so now what we are seeing, like bone collection. Okay, so in our previous versions and all, what we had something like layers. Okay, layers, and we had called as protected layers and all. But here we have one more thing called as in our 4.0 onwards, like Blender 4.0 onwards, they added new option called as bone collection. We'll check what exactly this bone collection. Right now you can see the bones. Okay, if I disable it, all things are gone. Okay, and if you want to do something, for example, see, I'm selecting this particular bone and I will hit M, so that it is showing new bone collection. Okay, I can click this one and I can give any name. Okay, bones 1, something like that, create. So it is created. Now you can see, if I click this one, no, it is showing bone and bones 1. Okay, if I go here, at that time, see, I'm selecting this one. Now you can see the dot is here. Okay, dot is here. If I disable this one, at that time only 3 are visible. Why? Because this bones is one more collection that is disabled. Now bones is visible. Okay, bones is visible. Inside bones, these 3 are there. So inside bones 1, whatever we had here, no, that is there. If I enable it, you can see it. If I am disabling this one, this 3 gone. Okay, so if you want, you can turn off, turn on, that you can do. And this point indicates it is there in this particular bones. And what I will do, I will hit M again. If I want to take it to bones, that bones also I can do. So it will go to this bones. Okay, like that. So, and if I click this one, okay, and I will hit M, I can take it to any of this, or else I can create new one, 1, 2, and I can create like this also. So now this is inside here. Okay, so like that. And one more thing, I am selecting these 2. Okay, these 2, and I'm going to bone 2. Okay, bone 2, or let me create new bone collection called as bone 3, something like this. And what I will do, I selected these 2 and I am hitting assign. So at that time what happened, you can see, I will select this one. At that time it is showing bone 3 also it has, initially bone also this one has. Okay, for this one also, bone 2 it is already there, and now it is added to bone 3 also. So I can add it to multiple collection also, that is also possible. But here if you check, this is there in only bones. Okay, so if I hit assign here, so it will be assigned to bone 3 also. If I want to remove, I can remove it. Okay, like that. So, and one more thing, what I will do, I will click this bone 1, and if I hit select, okay, so, or else what I will do, collection 3, and if I want to select, it will show whatever there. So these are selected. Now I will hit here and I will go here, I will select. So at that time what and all there in that collection it will show. So this is one more thing, newly added bone collection. So it is very useful thing. And here we have 2 things you can see at the top, that is called as pose position and rest position. Let me show you what exactly it is. So rest position, here you can see, right? And what I will do, let me go back to pose mode, and what I will do, I am trying to grab one. Okay, it is showing the issue. Okay, cannot change the pose when rest position is enabled. What I will do, I will go to pose position and let me take this one to here. Okay, I will change the position here, and if I go back to rest position, it is coming here only. If I go to pose position, it is going here. So basically, like, you can go to edit mode also. If you go to edit mode, it will be like it is showing the rest position itself. Okay, so in edit mode, it will always show the rest position, and pose position means, look, like whatever changes you are doing in pose mode, right? So it will be captured in post position. If you want to like go back to rest position, that you can do it. Okay, so these two are two different positions. So whatever animation things you are doing in pose mode, right? So it will be captured in this pose position, and if you are doing any changes, any editing and all, it will be rest position. I mean position it is capturing. And like previously we had bone grooves. Okay, right now it is not there. It is like replaced with one more option called as bone. Okay, so bone, inside bone we have a viewport display. Here you can mention the color for this one. For example, what I am doing, I am selecting this particular bone, and what I am doing, like I will go to bone color. Okay, if I want, I can give any color. So color set is there. So what I will do, I will click on this particular green one. So that time you can see three colors are came. Okay, three colors. So basically it has a meaning. So I will tell what exactly it is. So you can see whatever it is showing, no, the three in that the one. Let me do one thing. So you can see here three options are there. Okay, three images. So basically the one here, the first one, so it indicates actual color. Okay, this color. Okay, and one more is the this one. Okay, so this is when, for example, what I am doing, I am selecting this one and I am adding the same color to this. Okay, now if I, you can see when it is inactive, the border, you can see the border, so that is the second color. And one more is like when it is active, so what is the active border color, that is the third one. So basically three colors, one is this one, and one is inactive state, and one more is the active state. So if I click here, this one, so this is like a bone color. We can give to post bone color also. Post bone color means, what I will do, I will go to edit mode. Edit mode, it is showing this color, right? This color. So if I do like post mode, okay, it is showing one more. I can give different color for this one. Okay, this color. So in post mode one color, and in edit mode it is a one more color, like that. So in edit mode and post mode you can give different color. So if you want to like give any custom set, that you can do. So for example, in edit, what I am doing, I am giving the custom set. So let me select the blue. Okay, blue for active state. One more is like green, and more is like some yellowish. Okay, yellowish color I have given. So this is a custom set I created. What I will do, I will go back to edit mode. At that time you can see the blue for this one. Okay, green when it is like inactive, and it is active, it is showing. Okay, so the green means the active state. Active state it is showing. So like that. So in this case you can see when it is active. Active means what? See, you can see that color. So like that it is working. Okay, so custom color also you can give. So these are like whenever you are working on rigging, it will help. So what I will do, like let me do one thing. Okay, I will go back to edit mode only. So let me select all and I will delete.